guilty of involuntary manslaughter as to Madison Baldwin.
They did not know, and I did not tell them what I planned to do, so they are not at fault.
About to give as a true self of God.
I do.
So you can put your hand down, and could you state your name?
Now, is that actually the murder weapon from November the 30th, 2021?
It is. It was the weapon. I want help, but my parents don't listen to me, and I can't get any help.
Jennifer and James Crumbley are the parents of Ethan Crumbley. He was the Oxford High School shooter who killed 4 students and injured many more in 2021. Now, his parents were also charged and convicted of involuntary manslaughter. They were accused of gross negligence, of failing to secure a gun at home, failing to address their son's mental health. They were convicted at separate trials. This case is highly unusual. It's groundbreaking because this is the first time that parents have been held criminally responsible for the actions of a child in a mass school shooting.
Madison Baldwin, Tate Muir, and Justin Schilling. They died on November the 30th.
To return a true and just verdict based only on the evidence and my instructions on the law. Break before I do that. Hold out that he is guilty. Every crime is made up of parts called elements. The prosecutor must prove each element of the crime.
I had read something about your small market thing, and I don't think
both of those images cannot be shown.
Correct.
To the press. And
in Michigan, the maximum penalty for involuntary manslaughter is 15 years in prison. But what will be important is the minimum sentence set by the judge. Because in Michigan, after the minimum sentence is served, someone in prison is eligible for parole. So the fight on Tuesday will really be over the minimum sentence that the judge will order in this case. And prosecutors want 10 years in prison for James and Jennifer Crumbley. The civil litigation and that maybe wrap it up this way. What is it that you feel you don't know?
Investigated any part of the shooting. And I think it's important for the people to know that.
Since it was a personal check to him that was written.
4 students died that day at Oxford High School, and under Michigan law, their families can speak, and we do expect to hear from the parents of those 4 students.
For you to know that Mrs. Crumbley got up there and literally stripped up
kids that I had a lot of classes with, and Hannah was on that list, and they knew her.
There will be appeals. They will be vigorously pursued. So this case could return to court over sentencing, perhaps even over the jury verdicts. But at this point, this sentencing is really the last milepost in a case and a tragedy that's stretched on now for 2.5 years.
Where did God send the notification? He sent it to nowhere.